Rukirirwa na Arua County Commissioner wa MURANG'A Joshua Nkanathaba gwatanirite na kamanda wa borithi na rietwa Kainga Mathew na baringi njeki ni borithi ni betithitie na mbere MUSAKO NTEERE cia GATANGA MAGUMONI aria bagwatite NCHOOBI cia mung'wana amwe na ingi irite gwitikirika rungu rwa watho bobo bwithite ntuku inkai nyuma ya makarika JWITITHIE ba NCHOOBI kura metho na bangi kinya guta uturo wongere kubwa NCHOOBI ndege bugikujirirwa NTEERE nyingi nthigurune ya Kenya.
Kupitia ushirikiano wetu na wananchi ndio tukawaza kujua kuna kiwanda hapa ambacho kinatengeneza hii pombe yote mnaona hapa na ambayo yote ni counterfeit. Mtakonifahamiwa na KRA ya kwamba hakuna pombe imelipiwa ushuru hapa. So RRA ya kumaliza pombe katika kaunti yetu ya MURANG'A ilianza rasmi leo asubuhi. Tukitoka hapa tunangojea na maafisa wote wa usalama kutoka sub-county sote 9 na ma-OCS wote na ma-ICCs wote katika jiji la MURANG'A, ndio tuanze tukaongea na wao na kuwapatia irani ya kwamba in the next 2 weeks tukisikia kuna kitu inaitwa pombe katika location fulani ama kijiji fulani, tuliambiwa hakuna transfer. Tunataka kuambia wenzetu hakuna transfer. Ukipatikana nayo kwako, uchaguzi ni wako, umalize ama uende.
This unprecedented behavior that the members of the public have started to manufacture such alcoholic substances that are likely to endanger the lives of people, like it happened in our neighboring county, will not be condoned here in MURANG'A County. We have been able to impound quite a number of liters, around 150 liters of ethanol. And this is the very ethanol that made people die in our neighboring county, and even some others turn blind. We cannot continue like this. I'm glad to report that the members of the public are really helping us to make sure that we don't allow this activity to continue. We are going to make sure that after this, we charge the suspects or the suspect with quite a number of charges that will be preferred against them. Of course, we'll apply the Excise Duty Act 2015. In addition to that, we are also going to apply the Accessible Goods Management System Regulations Act of 2017. And also, finally, we are going to make sure that the East African Community and Customs Management Act is also put in place, among many other charges we are going to prefer against these culprits. I would like also to advise the members of the public that it's important for them to choose on what they consume. You have seen the many brands that have been counterfeited here. Almost 50 brands have been counterfeited. In fact, they have counterfeited almost all the brands in this region. That one can tell us that these are people that know very well that they are committing a crime. They have malice aforethought. These are people that understand very well that in the process, in the event that they sell these kind of substances, they will endanger the lives of people. People are going to lose their lives, and others will get other challenges like, turning blind, the way we observed the other day in our neighboring county.